Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to explain to you how you can invest in property using bridge loans. What is a bridge loan? Bridge loans are actually short-term loans that property investors are using to buy properties, maybe in an auction where you need to use speed because you have only 28 days to complete on those properties. So the lenders are willing to offer you this facility to purchase the property, and then if you can add value to it, that would be great, because then you can refinance the entire facilities, and you can pull out all of your money that you put it in the deal at the beginning. Of course, bridge loans are more expensive, so you can get between 0.5 and 1% per month interest rate for this kind of money facilities. But the good thing about it is that you can proceed really quick. And sometimes, in the property industry, speed is very important, because you can secure a deal and actually to buy straight away. Using a bridge loan it puts you in the property as a cash buyer, and also you can have a strong position when you negotiate with the vendor, because you can move quick, so you can complete within 28 days, and the auctions actually offer and having the legal pack this thing to complete within 28 days. After you use the bridge and pay all the interest that you owe to the lenders, then you can refinance this property, and to get a normal buy-to-let mortgage or HMO mortgage or more specialist mortgage on it, and with the difference that results from the refinance, actually you can move on to the next project. I hope you found this information useful, and in the next videos I'm going to explain other loan facilities like development finance, commercial mortgages, residential mortgages, buy-to-let and HMOs mortgages. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to keep you up to date with more information. Bye for now.